Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad gym. First, let's define what a salad gym is. It's essentially a smart meal prep system for delicious, healthy salads. To begin, gather your favorite fresh greens and a variety of colorful vegetables. Make sure to wash everything thoroughly and dry it completely before moving on to the next step. This initial preparation is key for long-lasting freshness. Now, let's focus on your protein and toppings. Cook and portion your preferred protein source, whether it's grilled chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or plant-based options like chickpeas. Next, prepare your healthy toppings. Think crunchy nuts, seeds, or even some roasted sweet potatoes. Remember to always keep your salad dressing in a separate container until you're ready to eat, preventing any sogginess. Assembling your salad gym is all about layering. Start by placing any wet ingredients, like your dressing, at the very bottom of your airtight container. Then, add harder vegetables, followed by grains, proteins, and finally, your delicate greens on top. This method keeps everything fresh and crisp. Properly stored in the refrigerator, your salads will stay delicious for up to 4 days. The best part about Salad Gym is the endless customization. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor profiles and textures. Try adding seasonal fruits, various cheeses, or even some whole grains to keep things exciting. A diverse range of colorful vegetables ensures you're getting maximum nutrients with every bite. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.